Into the latest music sensation that's taking the world by storm, Tangira Pro and Emi's newest hit. Now, if you haven't heard this track yet, you're in for a treat. It's got everything from catchy beats to profound lyrics, and it's quickly climbing the charts. Tangira Pro is known for his unique blend of electronic and pop music. He has this incredible ability to create sounds that are both fresh and nostalgic. His story is just as compelling as his music. Starting from humble beginnings, he's worked his way up the industry ladder with sheer talent and determination. It's no wonder fans are obsessed with him. Emi, on the other hand, brings a whole different flavor to the table. She's got a voice that's both powerful and emotive. Her vocal range is seriously impressive, and she knows how to make every note count. Emi started her career as a backup singer, but it didn't take long for her to step into the spotlight, and boy, are we glad she did. So what's the magic formula behind their latest hit? First off, the production quality is top-notch. You can tell a lot of thought went into each element, from the instrumental arrangement to the vocal layering. The song starts with a pulsating beat that immediately grabs your attention. Then, Emi's vocals come in, smooth and captivating, setting the stage for what's to come. As the track progresses, Tangira Pro's signature electronic twists and turns keep you hooked. It's like a roller coaster ride for your ears. The chorus is undeniably catchy, making it impossible not to sing along. And let's not forget the lyrics. They touch on themes of love, resilience, and finding your true self. Universal topics that resonate with everyone. But what truly sets this song apart is the chemistry between Tangira Pro and Emi. Their styles complement each other so well, creating a synergy that's rare to find. You can feel the passion and dedication they poured into this project, and it's no surprise that fans are going wild over it. Now, I know what you're thinking, how can I get more of this amazing duo? Well, they've hinted at more collaborations in the future, and if this hit is any indication, we are in for some incredible music. So, whether you're a longtime fan or new to their sound, this track is a must-listen. Don't forget to check out the link in the description to watch the full music video and experience the magic for yourself. Alright, that's it for today's deep dive into Tangira Pro and Emi's latest hit. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more insider music content. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.